Hi, this is Matt with Capell Flooring Interiors. Merry Christmas. So this time of the year, we're running a Christmas special where we have lots of fun add-ons and gifts and presents that we give to those who buy from us. Also, part of your purchase will go towards Toys for Tots and a donation. So it's a great time to buy. A couple things to keep in mind is this time of year, you need to get your order in before December 20th, and you got to start early in the month if you want it in before Christmas, but you just have to purchase before then because most likely we'll have to install in January. So why don't you come in, get your flooring or carpet order before December 20th. We'd love to help you and take advantage of all the different things. We have lots of fun things we give away this time of year with our purchases. So just read it below in the description and you'll see everything that we do for you. And you can help a good cause with Toys for Tots. So we look forward to helping you this Christmas season, and we will see you here in our store, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.